Hi, this is the INFINIX Note 30 Pro and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's check the box, let's open it. So we already got here some paperwork like the quick start guide, safety guide and the warranty card. They use the SIM eject tool. So the INFINIX tempered glass. Oh, that's the good option. So also we got here the protective CD case, the plastic one I think, USB Type-C cable, the earbuds, the headphones, and also the charger, the original INFINIX charger brick with all of the specifications. So as you could see, we got here a lot of different accessories. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.